Hi guys, quick update muna tayo kay Chain Cake. So this is a record breaking guys. Let's see, Chain Cake is really doing great. So ayan guys, actually it's fourth day pa lang ni Chain Cake. So nag-launch ito nung November 29 I think. So today is December 4. So basically magpa 5 days pa lang. And look at this. So ang web stats na niya is 4,915 Paul token. And yung current balance niya is 3,566. So ito yung kagandahan dito kay Chain Cake. Nakikita natin very transparent yung stats niya talaga. So ayan yung total na nag-deposits dito. And there are 108 wallets, unique wallets na nag-invest na dito kay Chain Cake. Tapos meron na siyang contract balance na 3,566. So napakabilis nung progress niya. Okay, so this is a verified smart contract. Pakita natin yung pros and cons. So always do your own research. Okay, this is not my own project. Isa lang po ako sa mga top leader ng project na to. But then as a YouTuber, I am sharing a great opportunity para makapag-generate ng profit sa atin. But end of the day, still there is no 100% guaranteed. Okay? So, since nag-adapt na tayo ng smart contracts, okay, kaya tayo nag-invest dito is because alam natin na walang owners, walang CEO. There's no one na nagko-control sa withdrawal, no, sa mga funds natin. And no one can access the funds. Alam natin na nandito ito sa smart contract. So, that's the main reason kung bakit tayo nagta-trust dito sa project na to. But end of the day, still, meron pa rin itong risk. Everything has risk. Okay? So, ang risk dito is nakasalalay sa mga clients, sa mga investors, yung buhay ng project. So, alam natin na kapag na-drain itong contract, wala na tayong mawi-withdraw. Same thing happened dun kay BNB Cash. So, keep in mind na merong ganong risk. Okay? So, dito naman guys, meron lang siyang mga limits to make the platform stay longer. Okay, but keep in mind, walang ganito na nagtatagal ng lifetime. Okay, so alam naman natin na nakasalalay sa contract. Walang sino man na pwedeng sisihin dito kasi si Dev, dineploy lang niya yung system. 'Di ba? So, yun ang titignan natin palagi. And of course, let's always check the contract. Kung healthy yung contract, it means still a perfect opportunity for us to generate or to earn from this project. Okay? So, ang nakita ko lang na dito na hindi siya accurate talaga is yung minimum withdrawal na sinasabi dito. So, nakalagay dito is minimum withdrawal of 5 Paul, anti-whale, daily maximum of 200 Paul. So, I haven't experienced yet kung pwedeng mag-withdraw ng more than 200 Paul. Pero yung sinabi niya na 5 Paul minimum, nakapag-try kasi ako mag-withdraw ng below 5. So, it means kahit below 5 ay nakaka-withdraw tayo dito. Okay? Ang good news is, hindi ka makaka-withdraw ng unlimited withdrawals. Talagang once nakapag-withdraw ka today, ang ulit mo na is tomorrow. Kasi hindi naka-display or hindi naka-open sa atin yung earnings natin dito. Zero siya. It means nakapag-withdraw kasi ako today. So tomorrow na ulit yung mag-a-appear yung aking earnings dito. Pero makikita pa rin naman natin dito yan sa statistics. Ayan, so far, ang dami nang pumapasok, no? Congratulations, guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. But still, I always recommend you guys to secure your capital first and then try to invite people para meron kayong extra na mas mabilis kayong mag-earn dito. And at the same time, that way, mas magiging healthy yung contract kasi maraming nagpa-participate. Okay? But still guys keep in mind, this is staking. Walang owners, no? Walang pinagkukuhanan para i-supply o i-feed yung contract. So, nakabase lang talaga to sa mga taong nag-i-invest. Okay? So, ayan guys, dito makikita natin sa referral program. Ayan, we have 1% for your first level, 2% second level, 3% third level, 4% level 4, and 5% sa level 5. So, the more na lumalalim yung network mo, ibig sabihin, mga invite mo, tumataas yung commission, yung referral commission. So, it means, another way ito ng project to sustain yung pumapasok at lumalabas na mga funds. Okay? Kasi kinocompensate yung mga nagre-refer. So, saan ba manggagaling yun? Of course, dun din sa contract. But still, for everyone to earn referral commissions, kailangan nilang mag-build, 'di ba? Kasi yung first level mo, yung unang invite mo pa lang is 1% lang 'yon. So it means mag-build ka, okay, which is yun yung pang ano ng project kasi nag-invite ka ng mga tao, no, nag-i-invest dito. So dumadami yung nag-i-invest, so nagiging stable yung contract. So it means kung ikaw ay investor lang, tapos hindi ka nag-i-invite, so meron ka lang na 1% per day na profit. Okay? Up to 25 days lang yun. So, nakita ko dito is, yun nga, medyo sustainable naman siya. Kasi meron siyang lack ng, ng withdrawals natin. Unang-una yun. And then, second one is, meron lang tayong 25 days. So, it means na we need to invest again kung matapos na yung contract natin. So, that will feed the contract again. Unlike other project na mas mahaba yung araw, yung contract. So, it means, nagwi-withdraw palagi and, syempre, there's longer time frame for them na makapag-withdraw. And unlike here na 25 days lang. And kung i-compute natin, ang net profit lang is 1% per day, which is good for us kasi of course nag-earn tayo ng 1% per day, which is no banks can give us that opportunity, di ba? Siguro may mga nag-invest na ng 1,000 na Paul, okay? Balitaan niyo ako kung nakapag-withdraw kayo ng more than 200 Paul. Kasi dito nakalagay is yun yung maximum na withdrawal per day. Okay? So apart from that, okay yung yung sistema niya. Gusto ko yung minsan lang tayo nakakapag-withdraw para masustain pa rin kahit papaano yung contract, 'di ba? So as much as possible, kung talagang kaya na may limit yung withdrawal, mas maganda din. Kasi dito nga, sabi niya 5 Paul per day, pero nakaka-withdraw tayo kahit less than 5 Paul. So yun lang, yung nakita kong dito, no? Hindi tama sa sinabi niya dito. Okay? So alam naman natin na ang smart contract dapat transparent. Okay? So ngayon, punta tayo sa other accounts ko kasi I have multiple accounts here. Pakita natin yung pag-withdraw. Alright, so ganito guys pag meron kayong multiple accounts and you're using MetaMask. So click mo muna tong yung wallet icon. Tapos ito yung 3 accounts ko na nakakonect dito. So unahin muna natin itong una and then click mo yung connect. So ayan, to make sure na tama yung wallet, i-click mo yung power button and then click connect ulit. So yan na yung lalabas. Kung ano yung nakaset mo na wallet dito, yan yung lalabas dito. So i-browse na natin. And yan, meron akong 8.58 available to withdraw here. So this is not bad guys kasi alam natin na tumataas talaga si Paul ngayon, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng at least meron tayong source, 'di ba? So ayan, $5 worth of Paul token dito sa account na to, 'di ba? Isang account ko lang 'yan. So, meron pa akong another 2 na makaka-withdraw tayo and I will show you live sa video na to. Okay, so ayan. Refresh natin. There you go. So, ngayon, dun tayo sa next account. Okay, so browse up lang ulit tapos i-click yung wallet icon dyan. Then, let's go to another account, my second account. Actually, it's my third account. So, toggle off and on. Then, boom. So, ayan na yung wallet natin na nakasetup. And this one has, ayan, meron siyang 6.54. So, withdraw ulit natin. Ayan, this one is $4. Kanina may $5. So, meron na tayong approximately $10, diba? Galing dito kay ChainCake. And guess what? Ang puhunan ko lang sa bawat accounts na to is tig for 5. So, guys kung gusto mong ma-maximize yung earnings mo dito, okay, meron tayong dalawang klase, no? Dalawang ways para ma-maximize yung earnings dito. Kung ikaw ay builder, kung kaya mong mag-invite, so kahit na minimal lang yung puhunan mo, kahit na 5 Paul token lang yan, tulad dito, ma-maximize mo pa rin siya, basta i-share mo yung project. Okay? Invite. So, that's your way. Kung kulang yung budget mo, pwede ka pa rin kumita ng malaki by inviting people. Now, kung ayaw mo mag-invite, kasi I don't believe na hindi ka marunong mag-invite. Talagang nasa lang yan. Okay, nasa mindset lang yan. So, just try to post and share the business, di ba? But then, wag tayong mang-hype. Kailangan sabihin natin sa kanila yung totoo, 'di ba? So, gaya nga ng nabanggit ko kanina, there's always risk. Okay? But if they don't try, alam nila na wala talaga silang pwedeng kitain. So, 'di ba? Alam naman natin, no? I believe in the saying na the higher the risk, the higher the reward. Okay? So, now let's move on to my last account. Ayan. And toggle on and off. Alright, so this is my number 4 account. Okay, ayan, meron siyang 4.44. So, ito sinasabi ko, no, na sabi niya minimum of 5 poll daw na withdrawal. So, itatry natin to. Pag ito na withdraw, it means prove na natin na hindi 5 poll. Pero, okay lang naman. Ang importante is, after this withdrawals, hindi tayo makakaulit. So, next withdraw natin is tomorrow na, 'di ba? Ayan, pag nag-zero na yan, ayan, may timer dito na 23 and 59 minutes. So, yun yung maganda dito, no, kay ChainCake. So, na-withdraw ko na siya lahat, guys. And let's check my balances. Ayan, so, I have, yeah, good amounts of Paul. And alam naman natin, guys, no, na talagang tumataas si Paul ngayon. So, today, my earnings from all of my sources, ayan, dito kay Polygon lang, ha. So, it's like, how much? Nasa $100, guys. Okay? So, syempre, meron akong Galactic. Ayan, ibalay pangalan dito. And then, I have Millards. I have, what else? I have Polcash and I have ChainCake. So, yun yung great thing about diversifying. So, that's it, guys. That's my update with ChainCake. And congratulations for all of us na nag-earn, nag-generate ng Paul. At lalo na dun sa mga nag-hold ng mga crypto. Ngayon ay talagang ang daming pinapayaman ng crypto space ngayon. Kaya we're on the right path, guys. Keep going. Makukuha rin natin lahat ng goals natin. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for staying in my channel. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.